Hi everyone. So I've been following XXL Scrunchie for a while now, and I don't know why, but for some reason I haven't ordered until now. And my package from them came today. I got like 13 things, I want to say. I'm obsessed with the box. So let's see what we got. So cute. So this is what it looks like when you first open it. And then, I can't believe I finally got a package. Oh my goodness. It says, Alexandra, spread the love. I love this. And the back's like, save $5 off. And, oh, I got a free, I think it's a free scrunchie. Oh, it's a neon yellow one. Let's see. Oh, it's so cool. Yeah, it's a giant neon yellow one. I love it. Thank you, Tina, and the whole team at XXL. And then I got this red one. It's like satin. So I got one of these. I got like a velvet XXL scrunchie. I got a velvet one, and then I got another like satin one in like a lavender color because I love lavender. And then I also got some hair clips. This one, and then I got like a purple one, and then this one's kind of like candy cane. So I got this one, and then for my scrunchies, I got a scrunchie holder, which I've been needing for a while. And I also got a hair claw holder for all my claw clips, which I will probably be replacing with all XXL scrunchies now. Like the one I have in now, I'm replacing. And then I got this for my dog. It's like a bandana. He's still a puppy right now, but he's gonna get big. He's a pit bull. So. And then they gave us a cute little sticker, which I love it. So thank you, XXL Scrunchie.